uh, Amartya Sen has spoken about, has used the word Gujarat in the context of Gujarat rights. He's used the word cow in the context of cow slaughter. All issues that we are discussing that we should be discussing about. He's talked about India. He's talked about his idea of India. And it is very sad that for someone who wrote a book called The Argumentative Indian, we are basically trying to muzzle whatever the entire ideology of argument that he tried to put forward in that book, and which is the essence of the movie.
To
Mr.
write
Murad?
the muzzled Indians. Maybe it's time for Mr. Amartya Sen to actually address the issue of the muzzled Indian, because this is happening with impunity, and what is happening in the country is absolutely disgusting. And as Mr. Murad said, film industry, I probably think I'm afraid he may have a point there, that the film industry will never want to get into any controversies out of the fear psychosis that tomorrow the backlash may be against them. So the individual who has been, hampered, the individual who has been injured because of such, action, then he alone goes to the court and tries to seek justice, while we all stand in line and watch and maybe just, give him a push on his elbow that, okay, go ahead. आप आगे बढ़ो, हम आपके पीछे ही हैं.
हम आपके साथ हैं, लेकिन रजा मुराद, it is not just a matter of हम आपके साथ हैं over here. The fact is, it's no longer just about replacing a man and a woman kissing with two flowers on screen. This is much more than that. This is essentially telling people, do not talk about this, do not use this word, do not use that word. This is freedom of speech.
Yeah. I think they should change the title to The Silent Indian or The Throttled Indian now, because we are not supposed to raise voice against any kind of injustice. But the point is, when we discuss about cows, when we discuss about Hindutva, when we discuss about Gujarat in, daily on TV as well as in the newspapers. So what is the bone of contention? What is the problem that these words cannot be used in a documentary or in a film? I just fail to understand that. It's totally, I think it's ridiculous. Totally ridiculous.
Right. Extremely ridiculous there. And also tell me this, both of you gentlemen, as actors, the fact is this was a movie that was made over the last 15 years. This director has put in a lot of research, a lot of effort into the movie. And for it to finally fall flat at the censor board, and the censor board refusing a UA certificate for a movie about two economists talking to each other. How does that make you feel?
I think we are in the zone of we are in the world of absolute ridiculousness. We just because it is Dr. Amartya Sen and not a man on the street talking about cow slaughter or the Gujarat riots, that seems to be the agenda. Silence those voices which can be heard about the din of everyday hubbub, everyday noise, because they are the important voices. So silence the important voices, and the rest of them will fall in line, like silent lambs. That seems to be the agenda that the authorities are having. And I think this is a very grave matter, and they should definitely move the court and seek justice. And it is, but I think this malice, it is going to happen again and again. This documentary will pull through, and then there will be other 3 documentaries which will once again meet such fate. And because it is probably not Dr. Amartya Sen, but maybe a very normal man on the street talking about important things, no one will probably even come to know that that documentary has not been also provided certification. That is my worry. That is where the real danger lies.
Right,
That's what I
Darshan
believe.
Jariwala. Clearly, it is, like you said, a very, very grave issue. Darshan Jariwala, Raza Murad, thank you very much for joining us. Of course, a very grave issue, no longer trivial, because it hits at the very essence of our democracy, the right to free speech. Listen in. Let's play out that bite again for you. Listen in and look at that sequence. This is what happened when Pailaj Nilani was cornered again in an elevator by our reporter Himanshi Chaudhary.
काऊ और हिंदुत्व जैसे शब्द यू रियली थिंक तो सर इस तरह का होना चाहिए कुछ
First you out.
what
Anything, whatever producer is saying or director is saying, you ask him to go in the tribunal.
But
Or
sir,
is the revising committee. That's it. Channel 1.
sir, is this not wrong usage of censorship? Prahlad sir?
I'm being sorry.
Sir, every day, other day, the controversies are coming up with certain words being banned.
That
Prahlad
is
sir,
our job.